Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to Kelly's Kitchen on Big Oggie's World. So today I am going to make a traditional soup, a Scottish soup that would be served at a Burns night dinner, and that's because it's coming up to Burns night. So it's a very simple and economical soup. This is going to last us at least 2 days because it's just really me and John that eats the soup, and literally all you need is a chicken and a few veg.
Why have you got a chicken? What's it called, this soup?
It's called COCK-A-LEEKIE, sorry. Lead and I will follow. So yeah, so I've bought a small chicken because it's just, like I said, for me and John. You can obviously buy whatever size chicken you need. This chicken cost me £3.27. And all we're going to do is make sure that there's nothing tying up the chicken. You want to take all of the bindings or whatever they're called off and pop your chicken straight in a pot that is big enough. Get rid of that in a minute. And then what we're going to do is into that I'm going to add a stock cube, just a normal one. I'm going to put a stock pot in because I like a bit of extra oomphy flavour, so in he goes as well. And then 3 bay leaves, and literally what we're going to do is cover this chicken so that it's just covered in water, and then we're going to put it onto the stove and we're going to bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to turn it right down to a simmer and we're going to leave this chicken to cook or poach in here for probably about an hour, and then we're going to leave it in the liquid to cool for an hour. So I will be back in about 2 hours time. Okay, so I've taken the chicken out of the stock. I cooked it for an hour and then I left it sat in the stock for another hour to kind of cool down and finish cooking basically. And as you can see, the whole thing just fell apart. So you take out your chicken and put it on a plate and also remove your bay leaves. Now you're going to take 200 grams of pearl barley that you're going to wash because it's quite dusty. Bring your stock back to a boil and then add your pearl barley and salt and cook it for 15 minutes. It needs to be a medium heat, over a medium heat, okay? After 15 minutes, we're going to put in our carrots and our leeks. And then we're going to cook those for another 15 minutes until your vegetables, particularly your carrots, because nobody likes a crunchy carrot, are kind of soft. Then we will come back for the controversial bit. Okay, so now the broth has cooked. It's had time to soften the vegetables and the pearl barley is lovely and plump. I'll show you. There we go. So all that's left to do now is to add your chicken back. Now, as you can see, I've taken all the skin and all the bones out and it came apart so easily, but I've left it really chunky because I want chunks. I don't want it to go into like shreds. So the chicken's going back in, the whole chicken and all the juices as well. Obviously, you need to make sure your chicken is cooked through before you take it out. We don't want nobody getting no food poisoning. And then the last ingredient, and this apparently is quite controversial. This is prunes, dried prunes or semi-dried prunes. And all I've done, they were quite small, so I've just cut them in half. If they're bigger, cut them into quarters. There's 100 grams there, and that's going to go in also. Like so. We'll give it a stir around. And literally now we're just going to leave it 5-10 minutes maximum, just for the chicken to reheat through and for the prunes to get warm also. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a traditional Scottish COCK-A-LEEKIE soup ready for Burns night. Enjoy!